Hello folks, so today we are making a great jerk chicken salad sandwich. Yes, we're adding a whole bunch of ingredients, celery and onions, and we're adding chives. We're making this sandwich so delicious, guys. And this is a great appetizer, or you can use it for lunch. And guess what? We're gonna put it on a nice hoagie roll and just make it beautiful and delicious, spicy, tangy, creamy, a little bit of everything, guys. We're putting the ingredients together and you can make this in your neck of the woods. Yes, man. Just follow Yardie TV for more recipes such as these, and remember, Yardie TV has tons of recipes that will help you to make great decisions and utilize the foods that you have in your home. Watch the Ogie roll. It does nice, it worth it. Guys, I can't tell you now how nice this is. Try it in your neck of the woods. Remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yardie TV.